everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, hello, my name is Brittany and my channel name is pronounced Bratterstein. Today's video, as I'm sure you gathered from the title and the thumbnail, is going to be my favorite video of all time. And I'm especially excited for it because I got, okay, first off, today is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. It's actually my Boxyluxe unboxing because this is my second or third Boxyluxe. I think it's my third. Boxyluxe is just like Boxycharm, but it's like Boxycharm's hotter, thicker big sister. We'll get into that. Anyways, I got my email saying that my Boxyluxe was just shipped and it wasn't going to be here for another like week and a half, and I was like, that's sad, but okay, it would have been nice to have it this weekend. And then I came home from shopping at the mall, one of my least favorite things ever, but I needed work clothes because all of my work clothes were like thick hot flannels, and it's LA and now it's hot. And I almost died last week from like heat stroke and stuff, so I decided to go shopping. But anyways, I came home and it was on my freaking my little rug that says wipe your paws. It was just chilling there, and I was like, okay, it's time to sit down and film. So here I am, sitting down and filming for you immediately, and I'm gonna have this up by the end of today or tomorrow. So yeah. So for anyone who does not know what Boxycharm is a subscription service. The normal size box is like this size and it's $21 a month. This one comes 4 times a year, so this is more of a seasonal box, sort of like FabFitFun, and this one I believe is $50. So every 4 months, 4 times a year, you're charged the $50 for the Boxyluxe, and every other month it's $21 for the regular Boxycharm. I'll put everything down below so you can look into it, because me describing it, I'm hearing myself and I would be like, what? But yeah, this one's $50. You get it 4 times a year. Usually it's just the regular Boxycharm, and either way I'm super excited. This one's very exciting because like, look how big it is. Look at how big it is. That's what she said. If you like unboxings and Boxycharm and makeup and cosmetics in general, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button and become part of the Brat Pack. We are a fun group of people here, and I put out new videos every week, and I would love to have you here to hang out with me in my little bedroom, which we're back in my bedroom filming space for the time being. I just go back and forth from this room to that room depending on where I feel like filming and where has the best light and where my husband is, so. But anyways, I think we should stop talking about it and start being about it, because I know what you're here for is to see what's in this box, and that's why I'm trying to get it up for you as soon as possible, because I know that people like to see their spoilers. So I think we should go ahead and get into this box. Do you want to do that? Let's do that. Let's do that right now. Right now. If you would like to see what I got in this month's Boxyluxe, just keep on watching. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into this box. I'm so excited. I haven't even opened it yet. The seal is still on there because I was going to open it up to see if there was anything in it in case I wanted to do a try-on style with the makeup, but my husband was like, no, don't open it. Wait and open it with them so you guys can all be surprised, and also subscribe. I'm just saying. Freudian slip there. But anyways, he said that I should wait and open it with you so we can be surprised together. So as you can see, still sealed. Let's unseal it together. I've got my little blade. Let's cut into this little box. How messed up would it be if I just accidentally stabbed myself and you guys got to watch me bleed out on camera? Because I would hope that my husband, dear husband, if you're watching this and I cut myself and bleed out on camera, you better still upload it, because commitment to the brats. Okay, and now we're opening it. Oh my god. Okay. We got the card. Alright, so on this side of the card it has all of the information on what's inside. I haven't looked at it yet. I'm going to wait, and the theme is getaway, which is pretty exciting because I'm ready to get the fuck out of here. Like, I'm talking about my life. Like, I'd like to go. I'm done. I've lived a long life and I'm done being here. Like, that's dark. Just kidding. But no, I'm going to be going to Hawaii in October, and I know it's only June, but I'm already like, let's go, let's go, let's go. Topo Chico. Okay, now let's get into this box and see what's inside of it and start pulling stuff out. So the first thing I see is wrapped up in a little thingamajig. It's like a bigger item. Let's be surprised together. Actually, I have a feeling I know what this is because I did see one spoiler. Yes, it's what I thought it was. We're pulling out accessories here. It's a tiny little hair dryer. I did see spoilers on this. I remember that now. Wait a minute. Okay, this is from the brand PYT, and it's a mini turbo on-the-go hair dryer, and it retails for $85. Why are you so expensive for? That's expensive, $85. Let's see if there's anything special. I don't know what normal blow dryers claim besides like drying your hair in a timely fashion, but let's see what this claims. Okay, it says that it's going to reduce frizz and lock in moisture. I don't know about that. I'm still doing the no heat on my hair. I don't know if you remember like 1 or 2 Boxyluxes ago, we got a flat iron and I did give that away. I'm gonna hold on to this for now. Maybe there will be a giveaway in the future. I'm gonna debate on this because though I'm not using heat on my hair still, eventually I will, and this could be good for Hawaii actually. I don't know, but either way, this retails for $85 and we pay $50 for the box. So this already is the price of the box, plus you're getting a discount of $30 off of it. So if you are the type of person who would spend $85 on a mini hair dryer and you were looking for one, this could be a great box to get. So you could get it for $50 and then all the rest of the stuff for free. Just a thought. And it comes with these 2 attachments, one for like this thing and one for the like this thing. I don't know if anyone in the history of the world besides like hairdressers uses the attachments on their blow dryers. Let me know if you do. I never in my life have, just like I don't use the attachments on my vacuum either. Bad at all, whatever. Okay, so the next thing I see in the box is this big guy right here. So this is from the brand Living Proof and it's their Full Dry Volume Blast. Full Dry Volume Blast. Okay, I thought it was a dry shampoo, but it seems like it's just a texturizing spray. So you put this in your hair if it's too, you know, some people have like too fine of hair and too like thin and clean of hair for it to really do anything or give you any volume. I can't relate because I have like bushwoman hair, but if you have lifeless, thin, nice, soft, manageable hair, this will make it less that so that you can give it more style, maybe hold a curl, things like that. I don't know if Living Proof is cruelty free. It doesn't say on the card, so anything that is or is not cruelty free I'm going to be putting in the description box. If this isn't cruelty free, I'll be giving it away to somebody else. But anyway, $29 is what this retails for, so that's a pretty good deal if it's something you're looking for. So the next item I see is right here. So this right here is from the brand Trestique, I believe is how you pronounce it, and it retails for $25. It is their Good Vibes mascara, and I don't know if you can tell inside the package, but right there, that's a freaking curler. It's an eyelash curler built into the mascara. I gotta figure this out. Okay, got it. I don't want to open this yet, just simply because I have like a million mascaras. A million mascaras that I need to use because Boxycharm always sends them and I never get a chance to use them, so I'm not going to open this one yet. Also because I don't know if Trestique is cruelty free, and if it's not, I want to give it away without opening it, obviously. But this is a very cool product because it has this little freaking thing right there, which I guess you push down and it curls your lashes, and then you can mascara it and you can have it all in one, which I think is pretty cool. And it says that it's an ultimate curling, lengthening, and volumizing mascara with a built-in curler. So that's pretty dope. Let me know if you've tried this and if that little curler actually works, because that's a pretty cool idea, honestly. Why has nobody thought of that before? Trestique. Cool. Okay, now we got another thing in the box. There's so many things in this box. I love Boxyluxe. So this is from the brand Dr. Brandt. I don't personally use Dr. Brandt because I already know that they're not cruelty free, and I never forget because my mom reminds me every time we get a Dr. Brandt product in any subscription service. She messages me immediately and it's like, hey, so you gonna give me that Dr. Brandt or what? But this is a yogurt cleanser and it retails for $35. Dr. Brandt's a good skincare brand. My mom loves them. If being cruelty free is not an important factor to you, then this would be a nice thing to get because they have skincare that works. It's just not something I use because like cruelty free is a thing and like I could choose not to, but if you don't care, this would be a good thing to get in the box. And it's $35, so we've already way surpassed the price of the box. I mean, with the first item we did that. So the next thing I see is right here, and this I know I can use, which I'm excited about. So this right here is from the brand Farmacy and it retails for $58. This is their AHA resurfacing night serum called Honeymoon Glow, and I'm so excited to have this. Farmacy I know is cruelty free because I have used their products for a while, and it's got the little bunny right there. I love their makeup melting balm. We got that in like another box and I used the whole thing, and then I went and I bought the Drunk Elephant one during the Sephora VIB sale to like test it, you know, and I prefer the Farmacy one actually, which is crazy because I love Drunk Elephant, but the Farmacy's got some good skincare, man, and I'm excited to try this night serum because I'm actually almost out of my Drunk Elephant serum. So this is a cool thing to get in. $58, that's not cheap, you know. This is a skincare item that otherwise I might never have tried because of the price tag, and if I've already got a night serum that I like, why would I go and spend money on something expensive when I might not like it? Now I can test it and it comes in the price of the box. So that's kind of why these subscription services are so good in my opinion. It lets me try things and fall in love with things I otherwise would not have tried. So Thank you, Boxyluxe / Boxycharm, for giving me this Farmacy. Well, not giving me, I bought it, but you know what I mean. All right, we got 4 more items here. Let's go in with this one right here first. So this is from the brand Touch and Soul, which I do believe is cruelty-free because I've gotten something from them before and I was able to use it. And this is their No Poreblem Prime Essence. This is a primer. We've gotten a primer from them before, but this is one that's supposed to tighten up your pores and keep your skin silky and smooth. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like because it's like a little skinny thing. I'm curious. Okay, it's just like a little squeezy tube of primer. I'm excited to try this. I don't use primer every day, but occasionally I will. I need something that's got a little bit of a stick to it because I use powder foundation, so I need something that, like, for it to grip to. So we'll give this a try and see how it goes. Let me know if you've tried it out and if you like it. I would love to know. Thank you so much. And I don't know if I said, but this retails for $23. Okay, 3 more left. Yay, this has the cruelty-free bunny on it. That makes me happy. I don't even know what it is yet, but I'm happy I can use whatever it is. What are you? Okay, so this is from the brand Skin&Co, and it is their Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refreshing Mist. This is a setting spray that's supposed to rebalance your pH level, tighten your pores, set your makeup, and illuminate your skin. This just looks bougie. This looks like something I could not afford. And $35 for a setting spray is pretty hefty. So let's shake it up and actually spray some on, right? Right, let's Ooh, it smells like mint. Okay. This makes sense. It does say refresh mist. Oh, refresh mist. I thought it said refresh mint. Oh my god. Okay. That would have been funny. Refresh mint. They should have done that. Missed opportunity. Let's try it out. Ooh, I like the smell. It smells like I'm spraying mouthwash all over my face. Let me look up close, see if I see anything different. Okay, melted all the powders together. I had not used a setting spray yet, and it melted everything together. It made my highlight look really nice. I think I like that. It does have a little bit of a more aggressive spray than I'm used to because I use the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, but look at my forehead. It's got a nice glow on it. I think I like it, and I really like the smell a lot. So I'll keep trying that, and I'll let you know in an update. If it ends up in a favorites video, you'll know that I loved it. Or you can ask me about it in a couple weeks, and I'll tell you what I thought of it. So, yeah, let's get on to the last 2 things. I'm going to save the big one for last, because why not? So we got this little guy right here. Okay, this is from Dominique Cosmetics. Dominique Cosmetics is in the Boxycharm this month. Dominique, Kristen Dominique is a YouTuber who started her own makeup line. And that's pretty cool. This retails for $17, and this is her lip gloss in the shade Peach Tea. So they're called the Lemonade Lip Glosses. I think these are from her summer collection from last year, and this is in the shade Peach Tea. So let's go ahead and put it on top of my lipstick. I'm curious to try these because I've never tried anything from her brand before. Smells like cake. You know the traditional cake smell. Let's go ahead and pop this on real quick. It's perfect color. I wouldn't imagine Peach Tea to look like this. I don't know what I would have thought, but this is going to look perfect over the lipstick I'm already wearing, so. Wow, that's like an exact color match. That's kind of amazing. That seems planned, but you saw me open the box with you. It's like a nice and comfy feeling gloss. The smell is really nice. I will say I don't feel like the doe foot picks up as much gloss as I would personally like. I had to kind of keep dunking back in, but the shine looks really pretty. Look at that. I look so juicy. I'm looking so juicy with my gloss and my new setting spray. I love it. This retails for $17. I think I'm going to like this. I might have to try more glosses from her because it feels really nice. It's like not sticky. It's kind of like the Fenty gloss, but a little bit creamier. I like it. What do you think? I think it's pretty, and I'm going to need to remember what lipstick this was. I've got it over there. I'm going to have to remember because it's literally the perfect match with this, so I'm going to have to put them together. So that was this. Now let's move on to the last item in the box. Let's pull her out. Raw her. Okay, this is from the brand Tarte, and it retails for $45. This is their Tarteist Pro Glow 3. So it's their cheek palette in volume 3. Let's go ahead and open it up. I know I have one other cheek palette of theirs, but I don't believe it's this one. So let's see what it's looking at. Okay, it looks just like the other ones. Let's see what the inside looks like. I guess I'll open it with you to be surprised. 1, 2, 3. Oh, ooh. Ooh. Ooh, okay, so wait, let's fold these back. So, oh my goodness. So this palette here comes with 2 blushes, 2 highlighters, but this is like a goldy one and this is more of a pink one that could be like a blush topper, a matte bronzer, and a shimmery bronzer. Let's do some swatches. Okay. Okay, let's start with those 4. Okay, we got the first one. Wow, you can't see any of this. So those are the first ones. Ooh, that pink highlighter is actually really pretty. It's more highlighty than I thought it was going to be. Now let's get the bronzers. There's the matte bronzer and the more shimmery one, I think. Yeah. So there they are right there. That's pretty. That's a pretty little palette. That's an exciting thing to get. I love getting, I love to get face palettes like this because then when you go traveling, you can just bring one, or you could be like me and grab a couple. But it's a cool thing to get so you can get a lot of things in one packaging. Like if you haven't tried Tarte blushes, which, have I tried Tarte blushes? I'm sure I have, but if you hadn't, this would be a good way to try all of their formulas together, all their powders together, keep it together and use it. I have used the bronzer one and I love it. The highlighter in the bronzer one is amazing. Their highlighters are pretty good. So this is exciting to get, and it retails for $45, and that's the last thing in the box. Okay, so this is everything we got in this month's Boxyluxe. Look at how many items that is. The total retail price of the box is $352, and you pay $50, I believe. So you get $300 off of these items. That is insane to me. I will put a link to Boxycharm down below if you are interested. No pressure. I'm just trying to help you out if you want to get deals like this, because like I think it's great. My mom loves it, my coworker gets it, like it's my favorite subscription service. So if you want, it'll be linked down below, and if not, thank you for hanging out with me and watching me open it regardless. It's been fun. I love it. And if at any point you liked what you were seeing, make sure to give it a like if you like, because like why not? Why not? All it does is help me and does nothing for you except for give you one good deed to do today, which if you haven't done one yet, this would be the one to do, and it gives satisfaction to do something nice for someone else. So go ahead and give it a like. And if you really like me and you really want to help, make sure to smash that subscribe button, because it really helps me out. Every like, every comment, and every subscription, every share helps me out as a smaller YouTube channel. Helps everybody out, but you know, as a smaller YouTube channel, it really fucking helps me out. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. So anyways, guys, that completes this video. If you want to hang out with me on my other social media, I'll put it on the screen here. Instagram and Twitter are both Bratterstein. And then if you want to follow my fitness journey, which is ongoing and continuous for the last 3 years on that goal to lose 100 pounds, it is Fatterstein. And I'd love to have you there. I'm very active on that one because I have to be for accountability purposes. And it's been fun hanging out. I hope you enjoyed it. I thought this box was pretty sick. I always enjoy Boxycharm. I'm very rarely disappointed. I mean, sometimes I can't use things, but that's when you save them and give them as gifts. Boom. And they're high-priced gifts that you didn't pay high prices for, so. And anyways, if you are still watching videos and you want to binge me, you should click on one of these links over here, because these are videos I put up in the past. If you click on my face over here, it'll take you to where you can subscribe to my channel so we can hang out all the time. I think you should do it. I think it's a good idea. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you in my next video. Okay, bye.